Studio Layout 2.0. Which one do you think's better? The thing is, that's really exciting about this is I just figured out how to do this. Transition to an overlay. I have been wanting to do this forever so that I could do sketches and teach and actually do it with you guys here. Obviously, it's not fully dialed in yet. I think I need to play around with the zoom and the focus, but I'm going to get there. And what's really cool about this is that I'm going to be able to now sketch out ideas and teach with sketching. And I think it's going to be a really fun way to incorporate it. Obviously, right now, this is very basic and simple. I would love to add a bookshelf so that I can include some of the books that I've written so that you can see some of those books. Also, some things like awards and other ideas, like little tchotchkes that I have that show a little bit more of my personality. So hopefully I can figure out a way to do this, but for now, I think this might work. Let me know what you think. I wasn't going to necessarily post until I have something, but I feel like posting this will be able to help me continue to evolve this space so that it is the best content for you all. And give me your opinions. I'm an architect. I know how to take critique. So give me all your thoughts so that I can continue to build out this epic YouTube space for you. All right. Have a good one.